In this video, I'm going to share 3 useful websites that can help boost your digital assets. Let's go ahead and start off with website 1. Website 1 is a site called jitter.video, and this allows you to create little animations which are basically already done for you, and you just click on it like so. In the editor, you can very quickly edit these animations and then press export. The beauty of this is that it's literally, you just click on what you want to edit, and then on the right, you'll be able to edit whatever you want, just like so. This makes creating animations super simple, and adding these into your YouTube videos or digital assets really helps with engagement. Website 2 is a site called namecheck.com, and the way they spell this is namechk.com. If you're looking for a brand name or anything those lines, sometimes those names may be available on the domain name, but they might not be available on social media. So what this does is, in one search, it will actually show you where it's available and where it's not. So let's just say I wanted to have the name Marty's blog.com. So I'll do enter, and it's darkened all of these extensions. However, .press for martysblog.press is available. If we scroll down, you can see this name is actually available on everything here. And finally, website number 3 is for mind mapping. Now, the beauty of this website is that you don't need to create an account, or they force you into pricing or anything like that. You simply click the start now button, and then right over here where it says start here, you would simply put in the thing that you want to start mind mapping. So let's just say we want to start talking about blogging. You can right click, do new bubble, and you can just do Facebook, and then you can just hover over it, click this, put an arrow, and just start building out your mind map really easily. As always, I am not affiliated with any of these websites. I've not been paid to talk about them. I just came across them and thought that my viewers would really enjoy using these sort of tools. And if it was something that I knew about before I started earning and stuff like that online, this probably would have really helped me and saved me a bit of money down the line as well. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And with that being said, I'll see you next time.